Keep your hands on free legs inside of both parents. Please watch your children. And children, please watch your parents. I don't trust them. Wave goodbye to the nice people on the docks. Wave goodbye. Be nice. You're not seeing them again for 2.5 weeks. I'm just kidding. You never get to see them again. That's okay, though. You never seen them before. It doesn't matter. My name is Whining Wilderness. My mama Joan skipper, alligator wrestler, snake charmer, lion tamer, bad joke teller. If you don't laugh at my bad jokes, you're a swimming instructor. So how many's first time on the Jungle Cruise? Raise your hands. Right here. Wow, me too. How many want to get wet? World famous Jungle Cruise. You want to get wet? Raise your hands. All right, jump out. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to begin right here in the Amazon. Many dangerous animals lurk here. You never know what you're going to see. I kid you not. Danger lurks behind. Butterfly right there. Rare species, scientific name, Giganticus plasticus mechanicus. World's largest carnivorous man-eating plastic-coated butterfly. You can't jump this plastic butterfly. This is Inspiration Falls. Aren't they beautiful? Everybody say, ooh. Not bad, not bad. Everybody say, ah. You know why they call it Inspiration Falls? Just look at it. They say if you stare at it long enough, it inspires you to go. That's deeper into the jungle, I think is what they mean. Yeah. Well, we're now changing rivers and continents now. We're on the Congo River in the deepest parts of Central Africa. Everybody show of hands, how many here have seen the Jungle Book? Wow. Dude, if you haven't seen it, there it is. Now we've all seen it. Harold did. Up behind a pigment rock and reporter waits. These guys know their parties too. Something must have scared them off. I can't see anybody canoe. I cannot. Something definitely scared them off. There's Stu. He's in the pot. If you don't get that, it's be a long 10 minutes. Over to that giant. No, snake. Sitting in. You just got to know where he is. Looks silly. Giant snake sitting in a tree. Hissing. Very friendly creatures. Don't let them develop a crush on you. Being made squeeze for life. Can anybody tell me what kind of snake that is? It begins with the letter P. No, it's plastic. You're very close, son. And if you're wearing yellow or light green, try not to make any sounds like a banana. They find it appealing. It drives them ape. That's enough banana goes fine. We'll split. Jeep's mine tried to get it started early. It looks like they finally got it to turn over. Probably used the monkey wrench. How many called Triple A? Jokes don't get any better. Run a river now stretching over 4,000 miles long. If you don't believe me, you're in denial. Well, we're going to left is Anheuser. He's a bush elephant. I taught him a trick. See if we go for it. Give it a shot. See what happens. Speak! Laura! Rich! Good boy. This is Ralph. Ralph won't belt very polite. Taught him something a little different. Speak, Ralph! Laura, Ralph! Okay, jump in the boat. I'm just kidding. Don't jump in the boat. That's crazy. Well, 6 boats last week for jumping in the boat. We're fine. We're good. This is our sandstone formation. I only point that out. Most people take it for granted. I know my sentiments exactly. I think it rocks. You guys seem a little jaded. Down here, we have a news group. Morning news, afternoon news, natty news. Behind them, very tall cheetahs. Down here, the water did some ducks. They don't block heaven. Yeah, they are. On the rocks, a pride of lions watching over the sleeping zebra. That's right, kids. That's how zebras sleep. On their side with the neck bent surrounded by lions. I'm just kidding. He's dead. He's really tired. Ouch. Every now and then a low man on that totem pole. Talk about a native uprising. I guess you could say there are problems behind him. Talk about life's ups and downs, bottoms up guy. There's my friend Ina. Everybody say, hi, Ina! That's one of those things where you think that you were, you put them together. Still not a bad joke, but at least I'm consistent. Haven't told a good joke yet in town. Okay, next notice for Sir Denial. That's right, Denial River. Stretching for miles and miles and miles. If you don't believe me, you must be in the boat. Here we have absolutely nothing, which I like to point out because we don't talk about that. Slouch Pearls, they've got their paleontologist, Dr. Robert Pearls. You might want to lean in a little so come around a waterfall. Just lean in. Lean in. You won't get wet. The weather's synthetic. Just lean right in. Right? I guess you're wondering how I landed my job. Fair enough. It should be plain to see. I took a crash course. That's the tail end of my jokes. I'm going to have to wing it. This is torture. You're waiting in line for torture. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to a hippopotamus with the proud owners of 12 of these magnificent creatures. stopping up left and right every 10 minutes or so, except for him. He's been home for 7 years. He's good. It's not the ones in the water I'm concerned about, it's the ones in the trees. The beady little eyes staring down at us. Those are hungry, hungry hippos. Don't worry, they lost some marbles years ago. Why do you think they're in the trees? I used to have a gun to scare them away, but apparently a pesky gorilla took care of it. Oh, there's a light. That's a light. Oh, lighthearted. Oh, look at those guys. Are they dressed to kill? Those are head-hunters. This is a terrible place to be headed. They usually attack over here on the right. We're going to keep our eyes peeled for anything unusual. Square dancing. Something kind of crazy. They usually come screaming down here with their funny little hats and spears. Well, that's unusual. There's nobody here. As they say in the jungle, safari. So good. Okay, here comes the rare sight. Something few people ever get to see. Perhaps the eighth wonder of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I proudly present the one, the only, backside of water! Sometimes we refer to that as ocean. We're now in big Southeast Asia, home of the Khmer Empire. Up ahead is an ancient temple. Up right up the hill behind the rock is a statue of the ruler of the temple. Her name is Shirley, so this must be Shirley Temple. These bamboo shoots were up to 6 stories tall. Now some say 7, but that's another story. There's no telling where this temple leads. Could be treasure, could be a dead end. But this is Disney. It's probably a gift shop. Want to go in? Hey, for experience, see the blinds and the walls? We've entered a root canal. I know, 6 minutes to go. Oh, well, if the time made it in for Rose's thing on tiger, with those side legs going up to 20 feet to the single down. Hey, it's a good thing when they fly over feet away. Then our first celebrity sighting, Tiger Woods would have to go. You might get teed off of me. Coming forward, so it's no point. This looks the winner, don't it? It's a small world after all. It's a small world. Sorry, nice. Not the 3. Come with me. Come with me. There you go. I don't get out much. The second celebrity sighting, the Golden Girl set is amazing. Well, we got something. Oh, this is big, this is huge. I think we just stumbled on the secret meeting pool of the Indian elephant. Aren't they cute? Everybody say, oh. Yes, it's okay to stare and take pictures too, you see? They have their trunks on. Big Shot's got her own private shower. Looks like she's been in a while, so getting all wrinkled. I just love baby elephants, don't you? Barbecue sauce, pineapple. Look at these little squirts. With their little ears, their little eyes, their little noses, their little feet, little tails, little bodies. Oh, hold on. That's a big squirt. What do you do? Put that down. Put it down. Then we gotta go. Oh. Yep, we gotta make a run for it. He's gone. He's coming back. Okay, you better duck! You better duck! You better... Oh, did you see that? He forgot to pack his trunk. A little dry humor for you. Okay, a lot of dry humor for you. Wow. Right there. It's good to have your ducks in a row. They look so real. Each individually hand-stitched feathers. Wow, we made it back. Oh, here's something you don't see every day. Traffic. So, how many of you got up first thing this morning and said, Jungle Cruise, gotta do it? I did. Yes, I enjoyed it so much I'm going again. And again, kids, remember, 4 years of college, 3 nervous breakdowns and a bachelor degree. You too can become a Jungle Cruise skipper. It's true. 4 years of college, got a bachelor degree, drive a boat for a mouse, parents are proud. Love my brother. He was a doctor. I didn't have the patience. Thought about being a professional photographer, couldn't take it, things didn't develop. Get the picture? Was going to be a farmer, but decided the field was not for me. Taylor, job didn't suit me well. So I joined an origami club, and it pulled it. All right. You've learned about all the different animals we have in the jungle. Here at the Jungle Cruise, we actually have over 500 varieties of tropical plants. I'd like to point out a few of my favorites. little more detail. I can name a few, I guess. That's Steve. That's Frank. That's Harry. And that's Fern. You're so educated, it's great. Alright, so I hope you guys had a wonderful time on the demo. On the count of magical number 3, lots of screaming, lots of clapping as loud as humanly possible. It's not for me, no, it makes me homesick. My wife does it every time I leave work in the morning. That's for you guys, you're wonderful. Out of all the cruises I've had today, you've been the most recent. So on the count of 3, lots of screaming, lots of clapping, and you won't have to go again. Now, if you get out of the boat and you find your shoes are filling up with water, chances are you got off on the wrong side of the boat. Get back in and try it again. Here at the Jungle Cruise, we have a dock on the left, a dock on the right. It does confuse a lot of people. That's why we call it a paradox. I know, it could have been worse. I could have told a fishy joke. Do you guys know the fishy joke? Oh, what do you call a fish with no eye? I know, it might take a few minutes. It's that bad of a joke. Spell the word fish without the eye. What's left? Okay, we'll try something easier. What did the fish say when he hit the cement wall? Darn! That's not what he really said, but this is Disney. We're keeping it clean, okay? Alright. Alright, what do you call a deer with no eyes? No-eyed deer. Deer with no eyes and no feet, still no-eyed deer. Why do ducks have flat feet? Stomp out little fires in a jungle. Why do elephants have big, round, flat feet? Stomp out burning ducks. Very important information there. Wow. Looks like they're taking their time. That means more bad jokes for you. Sorry. What do you call a cow that jumps through a barbed wire fence? Utter destruction. Oh, they get worse. Cow with no hind legs? Utter drag. Cow with 2 legs shorter than the other? Lean beef. Cow with no legs? Ground beef. Nervous cow? Milkshake. Cow that doesn't give milk? Milk dud. 2 cows spying on each other. Stakeout. What kind of milk does a tall cow give? Pasteurized. It's getting worse. Alright, up on the dock we have some rare flat-footed, black-footed albino pygmies. They will be assisting on the boat division now. Pretty much means room. Alright, so count of 3, lots of screaming, lots of clapping. Try to convince these people standing in lines worth of 4.5. That'll wait, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. Get out. Sorry, that's rude.